View, meditation and behaviour. When we ask why, there is no end to questioning and we can't find a reason or a because that is a final answer. Therefore, it's better that we don't use why and because too much. It's better to go to the root of the why and because without looking too much outside, judging, thinking and analysing. It is better that we observe ourselves instead of having a dualistic view. Using the example of a mirror, if we look in it, we can see our face and we can understand a little how we look. First, we can discover how many limitations we have. We limit everything indeed. We discover our false beliefs and our concrete condition. Concrete condition doesn't mean we discover our nature of mind. First, we discover our limitations. That is very important. Then we discover what point of view means, and we discover how we should be in our real condition. We can find solutions in the teaching's methods. If we use these methods, we can find what we are searching for. If we use practices, we can discover that they are related to using our experiences. For example, Yoga Tantra is not a teaching in which we use our experiences. We use visualizations of deities, chant mantras, and then somehow we receive some wisdom. When we are working with visualizations and deities, we are working with our clarity. When we are being in that clarity, we can find ourselves in a state of contemplation. In our lifetime, it is important that we understand that everything is our experience. There is nothing good or bad that is not connected with experience. We should not be distracted by these experiences. If we are practitioners, we see that good or bad does not matter. It is all experience. We work with and use experience and try to be in the state of knowledge or understanding. Then everything becomes positive for our practice. In Dzogchen, we say that visions are the ornaments of the primordial state. We can have good and bad visions as well as good and bad sensations. As practitioners, however, we don't need to see it that way, and through using our experiences, everything can become the same taste. In that way, we overcome our tensions and problems. These are very simple and essential practices in daily life.